Number 3 is another long division problem, and it's going to be like this. X to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus 3x squared. And you'll notice that we don't have an x term, but we actually need to have an x term here for the long division to work out. So I need to put a plus 0x plus 1. So that doesn't change my value at all, because 0 times x is just 0. But I need it there as a place value. It's very similar to like the number 802. If you don't have the 0 there, that becomes 82, and that is not the same answer. So zeros, for placeholders, they can be very important, and that's the same thing here. So I need to ask myself, what do I need to multiply x by to get x to the 4th? And that would be x cubed. And I'm going to put that over the x cubed. Then I need to multiply x cubed by both of those. So that'll be x to the 4th plus 4x cubed. Then I need to subtract these. The first terms go away. They should always go away. And 2x cubed minus 4x cubed is negative 2x cubed. Then I want to bring this down. And I start over. So what do I need to multiply x by to get negative 2x cubed? And that is negative 2x squared. And then I want to multiply negative 2x squared by both of those. So that's going to be minus 2x cubed minus 8x squared. And if I subtract these, the first terms go away. Negative 3x squared minus 8x squared is like negative 3 plus 8. So that's going to be 5x squared. And I'm going to bring down the 0x. And I need to ask, what do I need to multiply x by to get 5x squared? And that is 5x. And then I need to multiply 5x by both of those. So that would be 5x squared plus 20x. And if I subtract these, first terms go away, like they should, and I get negative 20x. Then I want to bring down the 1. And what do I need to multiply x by to get negative 20x? That would be negative 20. And then I want to multiply negative 20 by both of those. So that is negative 20x minus 80. And I'm subtracting those. The first terms go away. 1 minus the minus 80 is 81. So that is my remainder. So that'll be my answer. The other way to write that they want us to write is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 20, and then put the remainder over x plus 4. So what we're dividing by. So those are the two forms of my answer. So sometimes they'll want that form, sometimes they'll want that form, sometimes they'll want both.